In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to view saved posts on Reddit. If you've ever come across something interesting on Reddit, tap the save button, and then later wondered where on earth it went, you're not alone. Reddit actually makes it pretty simple to find everything you've saved, but it's not always obvious at first glance. In this walkthrough, I'll guide you through exactly where to tap and what to look for, so you can quickly access your saved posts anytime you want. First, go ahead and open the Reddit app or website, and make sure you're logged into your account. You can only see saved posts that are attached to your own profile, so being signed in is essential. Once you're in, look toward the top right corner of the screen. You should see your profile icon there. On the app, this is usually a small avatar or your Reddit logo. On desktop, it may appear as your avatar or username in the upper right area. Tap or click on that profile icon. This opens a menu that gives you access to different parts of your account, such as your profile, settings, and other tools. In this menu, look for the option labeled Saved. It might be grouped together with options like Profile and History, so take a moment to scan carefully if you don't see it right away. Once you find Saved, go ahead and select it. As soon as you do, Reddit will load a dedicated page or tab that shows all of the posts and comments you've saved. Here, you can scroll through everything you've saved over time, in the order you save them, starting with the most recent at the top. From this list, you can tap on any saved post to open it and read it again, watch the video, check the comments, or revisit any links. If you decide you no longer need something saved, most posts will give you the option to unsave them directly from the post itself, which will remove them from this list and keep things tidy. That's all there is to it. By opening your profile menu in the top right and choosing the Saved option, you can easily access every post and comment you've saved on Reddit in one convenient place.